Hello everyone, myself Sukhman Singh. I am graduate student in Department of Biology at University of Texas Rio Grande Valley. Today I'm going to present my research on the topic potential of polyphenol-rich purple corn pericarp extract to be used as biopesticide. So as we know that the plants have many primary and the secondary metabolite compounds present in them, and mainly the primary metabolites they are used for their general growth and development and for their reproduction, such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins. But these secondary metabolites, these are defense compounds, and they are produced on upon the stress conditions, like in too high temperature or too low temperature, or drought conditions, or even in the pathogenic attack conditions, or during the insect herbivory. As these are the defense compounds, so they have potential to be used as the safe alternative to the chemical pesticides. But the major drawback is the extraction process. It is very expensive and the methods are too complicated. So we need to develop simple methods of extraction, so and the cheap methods, and there is need to test them against multiple insect herbivores. As one of our lab focus is to study the effect of these polyphenols against the different insect herbivores. And we recently got one review paper published in uh, on the topic multifunctional role of polyphenols in plant herbivore interactions. And previously, we had also found that sorghum, rich in flavonoids, provide the resistance to plants against corn leaf aphids. And also, we found that recently that polyphenol-rich purple corn pericarp extract it adversely impact growth and development of Munduca sexta, which is specialist insect pest in Solanaceae family. And we also found that these effects they can even cascade into their pupal stages and their adult stages, and even into their next generation. As purple corn is native to the Peru region in the South American country, and its pericarp it is rich in polyphenols and other flavonoids, mainly the anthocyanin. And its pericarp it is the byproduct of corn processing industry, and it is considered as the waste byproduct. But we recently found that they have approximately 5 grams of anthocyanins in 1 kilogram of their pericarp, and also other flavonoids present in them in trace amounts. So as previously we found that the polyphenol-rich purple corn pericarp extract it affects the growth and development of insect herbivore Munduca sexta, which is specialist insect pest in Solanaceae family. Um, but it as there is no evidence that this pest feed on other multiple plant families, and they don't have defense mechanisms to tolerate defense compounds of other plants. So there is no evidence that this pest feed on corn or other plant family. So there is need to develop such product which can control the insect pest of multiple plant families. So therefore, we tested the efficacy of this polyphenol-rich purple corn pericarp against fall armyworm, which is generalist insect pest, and it also feed on corn and it feed on more than 70 plant families. So therefore, we hypothesize that purple corn pericarp rich in polyphenols, it will restrict the growth and development of generalist caterpillar, that is fall armyworm, and it will also negatively affect their pupal stages. So to conduct our experiments, so we first milled purple corn to get purple corn pericarp, and we use this pericarp to make extracts. And this extract was used, it was incorporated in artificial diet that was used to feed fallen armyworm caterpillars. And we also prepared control diet without using purple corn pericarp extract. And we used these both treatments, and we fed caterpillars of fallen armyworm on these both diet treatments until they pupated. So further, we analyzed the results and we calculated the mass gain over previous mass, and we found that there was general trend that controlled diet fed caterpillars they gained more mass in comparison to the popcorn diet fed caterpillars. And this trend it became more stronger when we analyzed the caterpillar mass gain over their initial mass, and we found that the control diet fed caterpillars they have gained more mass in comparison to the purple corn diet fed caterpillars, and there was significant difference we can see here. So this from here we depict that purple corn pericarp negatively affect growth and development of fall armyworm caterpillars. Further, we try to analyze whether these effects can cascade into their pupal stages. So we calculated their pupil mass, their length, and the time to pupate. And we found that the pupil mass of purple corn diet-fed caterpillars, it was significantly lower as comparison to the control diet treatment. And also the pupil length was significantly less in the purple corn diet-fed caterpillars in comparison to the control diet-fed caterpillars, and that but there was no significant difference between the number of days it took to pupate on the both diet treatments. So from here we can say that purple corn it negatively affect the pupal stages of fall armyworm, and from here we can speculate that these effects might cascade into their adult stages. As the bad quality pupae it will produce bad quality adults, and also these effects can may cascade into their next generation and it may produce bad quality offsprings. So further, we also compared the effects of purple corn pericarp on from our previous research and from this current research, and we found that the purple corn diet it affected mass gains of Manuka sexta more in comparison to fall armyworm, and there was more effect on their mass gains in Manuka sexta. So from here, we conclude that bioactive compounds present in purple corn pericarp, it can be toxic to insect pests. It can act as antioxidant against insect herbivores, and purple corn pericarp have potential to be used as biopesticide against insect herbivores. And we also got this research published in Plant Signaling and Behavior Journal. At the end, I would like to thank Dr. Teshwariat for his guidance throughout the project, and also I would like to thank Dr. Pavel Somawat for providing purple corn pericarp. Thank you.